Lakes Highway. Hello wonderful people. Yun, kasama ko ngayon si Kuya Bagsing Bagsingit. Paki-follow na lang yung page niya. Nandito tayo ngayon sa gitna ng Deep Lakes Highway. Guys, this is when we go to Tarlac to submit the tickets and attend the raffle for a cause. Guys, for this video, I'm gonna show you the Castelo Verde in Capas, Tarlac. This is the short tour of the Castelo Verde in Capas, Tarlac. Samahan nyo kami, let's go! Yan si Kagawad Anghel Dungpop, paki-follow na rin guys. Now we're here at the Cafe Sifina inside the Castelo Verde.
Wow.
This is a violet lotus flowers. Castelo Verde, the castle of the birds. Hello mga wanderers, ito ang mga alaga nila dito. Malalaking birds, goose, saka peacock yung nasa likod.
Wow.
And guys, meron silang mga alaga dito na eagle, parrot, pigeon, peacock, goose, and chicken. Tara guys, tignan natin yung mga alaga nilang birds. Nasa bird cage yung may eagle eh. Parrot, saka dove, ibang klaseng dove. Yan yung bird cage. Mga dove. Yan yung eagle guys. Color white brown. I think this is a sea eagle.
Wow.
Look guys, maliliit na peacock. The peacock. This is a parrot. Pasensya na guys, hindi masyado makita sa camera ko. Anyway. And that's it, beautiful people. You can help me by sharing my videos. Goodbye for now. See you next time. This is Honor Ellinger signing off.